Welcome back. Now, there seems to be no shortage of challenges when it comes to the MVA or the Mahavikas Aghadi in Maharashtra. First, we saw the drama, all that happened between seat sharing between all of the three parties, the Congress, the Uddhav faction of the Shiv Sena and Sharad Pawar faction of the NCP. Now, senior Congress party leader Naseem Khan has written a letter to the Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge saying that he will not be campaigning anymore for the party candidates because he's disappointed that no Muslim candidate has been fielded or has gotten any ticket from any of the 48 seats in the state of Maharashtra. And also saying that the Congress party seeks Muslim vote bank, but it has not fielded any Muslim leader. And the same opinion has also been expressed by Samajwadi Party's Abu Azmi, who has endorsed Naseem Khan's views, calling it unfair. Now, in this letter, the AICC president that has now been written to, Naseem Khan has mentioned that he is resigning as the star campaigner for the party in the third and the fourth phase of Lok Sabha elections. He's also asked that the party has not fielded any Muslim candidate in any of the seats. Samajwadi Party's Abu Azmi too has slammed the party, saying that this is a matter of shame. Let's get you the details of the letter where Naseem Khan has expressed his disappointment to the party chief Mallikarjun Kharge, saying that he will no longer be campaigning for the party candidates in Maharashtra. And out of the 48 Lok Sabha seats, not a single Muslim candidate has been nominated. Muslim organizations were expecting that at least one Muslim candidate would be given a ticket. Unfortunately, even the Congress has not nominated a Muslim candidate. He says that I'm upset with the party's unfair decision and I'm asking the Congress wants Muslim votes but not Muslim candidates and won't be able to face and answer the questions that the Muslim organizations have asked. Rather, that he has taken up this decision not to campaign for the party candidates in the remainder of the phases and also to resign from the campaign committee of the Maharashtra Lok Sabha polls of 2024. Let's get you an update from the AIMIM also, because this letter that has now been shot off to the party president of the Congress, Mallikarjun Kharge, the AIMIM has now gone ahead to offer him a ticket from Mumbai. AIMIM leader Imtiaz Jalil has tweeted saying that the AIMIM is rather ready to offer him a ticket from Mumbai to contest the elections. He's also said that this is a good deal and Naseem Khan has to show some courage to grab the opportunity and to leave the Congress. Let me go across to Ankit now. Well, Ankit, politics is also a matter of opportunity. If they've been denied any ticket or not, a possibility to fight the elections, of course, that is another backstory that we are talking about. But Naseem Khan is getting a favorable opportunity from the AIMIM. Will he also step down from the Congress party membership?
Yes, here we have to see that Naseem Khan, after declaring that he is going to quit as a party campaigner immediately today, while addressing media, he clearly mentioned that from the Maharashtra government and from Mumbai Congress, it was told to him that be ready for the ticket. And as we all know, the Mumbai North Central ticket, which was given to Varsha Gaikwad and Naseem Khan, who was expecting that ticket. And that is the reason he was very upset. But that ticket was given to Varsha Gaikwad, and after one day he clearly quits from the campaigner list. But yes, definitely here we have to see that on the other side, where Imtiaz Jalil, who clearly offered him a ticket from their party, from the same constituency, from Mumbai North Central constituency, where there are many holds of the Muslim community over there. But yes, definitely here we have to see that Naseem Khan only quits from the star campaigner, not from the Congress party, because we have seen before that, as we have seen Sanjay Nirupam who quits the party, but Naseem Khan has not done that thing here. But yes, he is very upset because the ticket which he was expecting and the promises which was made to him from the Maharashtra Congress, from the Mumbai Congress, to be ready, but the ticket which is now given to Varsha Gaikwad from Mumbai North Central constituency.
But Ankit, as far as his reservations are also concerned, that is also being talked about by Abu Azmi of the Samajwadi Party, because the main question that has now been raised by Naseem Khan in his letter is that the Congress party is eyeing Muslim vote bank but doesn't trust Muslim candidates.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Like as we all know, in the Mahavikas Aghadi, where there is a Congress, NCP, Shiv Sena, Samajwadi Party, entire India alliance, where Abu Azmi is a part of Samajwadi Party, Naseem Khan from the Congress, where they were expecting some seats for the Muslim for the candidates or from Muslim candidates, but we have seen that Abu Azmi also yesterday clearly mentioned that yes, I am upset right now because from the 48 seats that Mahavikas Aghadi has not given a single seat for Muslim community, where Naseem Khan also mentioned in the letter.
So that is
Congress,
Naseem Khan
wants,
writing to the party president Mallikarjun Kharge saying that he doesn't want to campaign anymore. However, there are other backstories that could be also attached as far as him not contesting the election, saying that why no Muslim candidate has been fielded, not just even by the Congress but other MVA parties as well. Ankit, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now, back after a short break.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile lad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।